here is the novomind iAGENT desk. The desk is the interface where the agents are working with the channels. All the channels are operated, and this is all the channels in one interface. For example, you can see here we have the mail channel. For mail, this can be each communication that has not to be answered live or immediately. So, for example, emails, letters, faxes. It can also be Facebook or Instagram posts. So we have different channels, different options here. Another channel we will have a later look on is the chat, which is for the live communication, the text communication, especially web chats from a web page, messaging such as WhatsApp, Telegram line, and we will have a deeper look in this in the next minutes. So, and of course we also have a phone integration. We have our own phone system in the back end, which is a Nova phone, maybe not so famous in Asia quite now, but of course we can also integrate any other systems as Cisco, even an Aspect or other things. For our demo, we will, for example, currently I'm working on a message, but the system has sent a callback ticket to me. So this is a possibility. For example, here, let's assume you have an Aspect integration. Maybe the Aspect outbound dialer or something like this did a previous outbound call. We could not reach the customer. So the system maybe has automatically assigned a callback ticket to me. So my agent has automatically routed this ticket. I have to work on the callback now. And yeah, let's try a second try to reach the customer. I just click here. Of course, we have a click to dial integration, and what you can see here is just one soft phone, which is integrated in the interface. And now he's trying to dial, and maybe again the customer is not available. In my case, I decided, okay, I cannot reach the customer. We decided to send an SMS to the customer. Of course, it's also possible to send any other channels like email or something like this. But in our case, maybe we only have the opt-in for WhatsApp or not even WhatsApp, even for SMS. So in my case, let's send an SMS. I just do this. It's prepared in my template, and I just send this message to the customer. And what you can see here, I now have the chat. You can see I have a category, I have a topic, I have a name, and I just I can take over the chat. You see here my email I worked before is still there. I can continue work after I did the chat, and now I can start chatting. My agent is allowed to have 2 chat channels in parallel. You can have up to 8 channels if your agents can handle this. But in my case, I have this one chat. I can see it's a category balance. Okay, customer is Boris, and here I as an agent can see the whole history of the chat. So, for example, here I can see what the chatbot sent it to the customer. What you can see here regarding to our category, we have the correct text models and a workflow I can follow now. And in my case, for example, I just can provide a review for the payment plan. We can just change it if I want to change this to another number or something like this. Okay, so in my case, I can share him now some information. Also, this is a good thing to send also files like pictures, because most of the customers cannot imagine the payment or something like this. And in my case, maybe you have a payoff calculator and you can just exclude the pictures and you can use it for your chat. And so the customer can check this. We can also have greetings and salutations, and in my case, he's happy, wonderful. I can just send him thank you, stay safe, and maybe if it's allowed in your policy, you can also use some smileys. Let's assume he's happy now. I have a happy customer. That's good. Oh, very happy. Okay, yeah, a very happy customer. I now can quit the chat. As an agent, maybe I have to do some after works, like maybe I have to do some back-end integration to change this. And now I can even close the ticket. My after work is done now, so I'm still not ready here. I can close the ticket now, and I can use, for example, transaction codes.